Welcome to miniatures.de, your military miniatures magazine. In this issue, we will make MG34 light machine guns for Airfix 1 to 76 scale German paratroops. The prone paratrooper with the FG42 assault rifle is easy to convert to a light machine gunner. Completely remove the barrel of the FG42 assault rifle. And using a 0.5mm micro drill a 4mm hole into the receiver. Make sure that the drill is parallel to the horizontal and vertical plane of the receiver, so that the new barrel will be perfectly in line with the receiver. Now place a 0.6mm piano wire into the receiver and push it all the way in using pliers. The new barrel needs to be 9mm long. We're using another Airfix light machine gunner to measure the exact length of the MG34, which is then trimmed with side cutters. Double checking, we can see that this barrel is still 1mm too long. Once the barrel has the proper length, the muzzle is filed flat with a needle file. The bipod is made from 0.1mm copper wire taken from a recycled power cord. Wrap the wire around the barrel, pull it tight, and superglue it 3mm behind the muzzle. Once the glue has set, the pods are cut back to 5mm length. Now fold the bipod down into firing position. The machine gunner is mounted on a magnetic metal base, 32 millimeters long and 15 millimeters wide. Cover the base with a thin layer of acrylic fiber gel and press the machine gunner into it. Now sculpt the acrylic fiber gel around the miniature so that the soldier is prone on the terrain rather than sinking into it. The left foot needs to be propped up by fiber gel so that it doesn't float in midair. Finally, the original FG42 box magazine is converted to a drum magazine by carefully melting it with a soldering iron. Right, and this is what the new light machine gunner now looks like. Before this miniature can be painted, we still have to remove the mold lines, of course, and that excess piece of plastic at the back of the helmet. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at miniatures.de.